I'm bringing sexy back, sexy smooth wax that is. Today we're using Tickled Pink on these lower legs on my wax model. And y'all already know Tickled Pink is my favorite, but Sexy Smooth Wax got a new wax coming out, Golden Allure, that is on the way delivering to me soon. I cannot wait to test that out for you guys. But look at this, quick dry time. Okay, y'all see that? It's dry. And look at this, no breakage, no nothing, nice and clean. You can see the hairs got removed. I don't know what y'all doing wrong when y'all using this wax, but let me do another strip just to break it down, okay? And first of all, look at this, day and night. Y'all see that? So when you are applying, make sure your stick is straight so you spread the wax evenly. Because if your strip is not even, there's like thicker parts and thinner parts, you're gonna have some problems, okay? Make sure you close the border of the strip as you see me doing here. Y'all see that? And once you do that, your strip should have no problem. Don't forget, this wax is like, what, $10.75? Like, you can't beat that. Go and grab you a couple bags if you are a new waxer. This wax is great for waxing the whole entire body, okay? Y'all see them hairs? Oh, look, I wanted to show you guys me doing the knees. I didn't think she had that much hairs on there until I seen the strip. So visit Sexy Smooth Wax, guys. Get you some Tickled Pink. And look out for my review of me using the new Golden Allure. And, of course, get your pretty kitty and body oil. Thanks for watching. Bye.